Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the \menu button on your watch. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping up and down on the screen. Scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the general settings option, then scroll down, find the language option, and then tap on it to select it. It will open the list of languages, and here you can scroll through the list by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the language you would like to use on your watch, and then tap on it to basically select it and apply it. Confirm by pressing the OK button, and after that the language should change. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face if you want to. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.